Hi, this is Michele K. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Coastal Alliance in Long Beach, California. And I'm sorry I'm not looking my best today. It's been a rough morning, but like I said, every Wednesday we get lender updates, and it's just such wonderful information that I care so much about my clients. No matter how I look, I want to bring this information back. Okay, so this information was given to us by Bob Maldonado. He's at International City Mortgage. He's a great lender, and I would recommend him. First, he talked about credit scores versus FICO. Now, if you go online and say, okay, I want to get my credit score, very vastly different than a FICO. Credit score is based on your credit, where a FICO takes in risk assessment. So again, if you're thinking of purchasing in the future, first step in the game is to talk to a lender and really get that credit report run, find out what your FICOs are, see if there's any issues with the credit report. Okay, that was tip number one. Tip number two, he calls it the buy and they call it the buy and bail, I guess, in the lender world. But what it means is if you have a home and you would like to now purchase another piece of property and rent out the current home that you're living in and move on to the new property, you have to have 30%, you don't have to have, but if you have 30% equity in your home, you can use 75% of the rental income towards your income. If you have less than 30% equity in the home, not only can you not use 75% of the rental income that you're going to get on your house, but you have to have so many months in the bank to be able to pay 2 mortgages. So it was a way that the banks came up with to stop people who are underwater from moving on to new properties and then just bailing on their first property. So that's what's come about because of that whole situation. All right, then just only on VA loans, your child care charges are taken into your debt ratio. So for conventional or anything else, or I'm sorry, FHA, they don't. So, child care is very costly, and so just know that can really change your ratios when going to get a loan. And then this is Bob. I just want to attribute it back to him. The rates have blipped up a little bit. I guess we're about 4% because the bond market is doing so well. But his suggestion is he would float it if you were in the decision of whether to lock or not, and he thinks that it's going to be going down. So anyway, that was my lender update. I hope you find it useful. My name is Michele K. I'm a realtor in Long Beach. If you'd like to talk to me further, my phone number is 562-243-2171. You have a great week, everybody. Bye now.